Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock more planters so you can plant more crops in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, if you want to unlock more planters, you need to level up your gardening hobby. When the first time you unlock the gardening hobby, you will get 9 planters, if I'm not mistaken. And you can add more planters if you have reached level 3. Wait, let me check it guys. I'm going to open up my hobby menu. And oh, sorry, you can unlock more planters after you reach level 4. After you reach level 4, you can go to Blancs and then you will be able to buy more planters. Wait, I'm going to visit Blanc. Alright, this is Blanc and I'm going to open up her gardening store. And here we can buy planter. I've already purchased these planters. And again, if you want to unlock more, just level up your gardening hobby. And this one can be unlocked after I reach level 7 and level 10. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock more planters in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!